Dale Carnegie was an American writer and lecturer who developed courses in self-improvement, salesmanship, public speaking, and interpersonal skills. Best known for his 1936 bestseller How to Win Friends and Influence People, Carnegie was born into poverty. We hope these amazing Dale Carnegie quotes inspire you to go after yours too. Our fatigue is often caused not by work, but by worry, frustration and resentment. Happiness doesn't depend on any external conditions, it is governed by our mental attitude. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. If you can't sleep, then get up and do something instead of lying there worrying. It's the worry that gets you, not the lack of sleep. Fear not those who are you but those who dodge. If you want to conquer fear, don't sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. An action breeds doubt and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to gather honey, don't kick over the beehive. Most of us have far more courage than we ever dreamed we possessed. Applause is a receipt, not a bill. Fear doesn't exist anywhere except in the mind. Act enthusiastic and you will be enthusiastic. The royal road to a man's heart is to talk to him about the things he treasures most. Any fool can criticize, condemn, and complain, and most fools do. When dealing with people, remember you are not dealing with creatures of logic, but creatures of emotion. First ask yourself, what is the worst that can happen? Then prepare to accept it. Then proceed to improve on the worst. The essence of all art is to have pleasure in giving pleasure. The only way to get the best of an argument is to avoid it. Do the hard jobs first. The easy jobs will take care of themselves. Instead of worrying about what people say of you, why not spend time trying to accomplish something they will admire? Do the thing you fear to do and keep on doing it. That is the quickest and surest way ever yet discovered to conquer fear. You never achieve success unless you like what you are doing. Keep busy. It's the cheapest kind of medicine there is. The person who goes farthest is generally the one who is willing to do and dare. The sure thing boat never gets far from shore. Remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Rule number 1, don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Fear is the result of a lack of confidence. A lack of confidence is the result of not knowing what you can do. A lack of knowing what you can do is caused by a lack of experience. A lack of experience is caused by a lack of doing something new. 3/4 of the people you will meet tomorrow are hungering and thirsting for sympathy. Give it to them and they will love you. Be concerned with your character than with your reputation, for your character is what you are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. The only way on earth to influence the other fellow is to talk about what he wants and show him how to get it. When we hate our enemies, we are giving them power over our sleep, our appetites, our blood pressure, our health, and our happiness. Talk to someone about themselves and they'll listen for hours. Knowledge isn't power until it is applied. An hour of planning can save you 10 hours of doing. Don't be afraid of enemies who attack you. Be afraid of the friends who flatter you. One of the most tragic things I know about human nature is that all of us tend to put off living. We are all dreaming of some magical rose garden over the horizon instead of enjoying the roses that are blooming outside our windows today. Feeling sorry for yourself and your present condition is not only a waste of energy but the worst habit you could possibly have. Don't be afraid to give your best to what seemingly are small jobs. Every time you conquer one, it makes you that much stronger. If you do the little jobs well, the big ones will tend to take care of themselves. Remember, today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday. People like people who help them like themselves. Develop success from failure. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. There are 4 ways, and only 4 ways, in which we have contact with the world. We are evaluated and classified by these 4 contacts: what we do, how we look, what we say, and how we say it. It isn't what you have, or who you are, or where you are, or what you are doing that makes you happy or unhappy. It is what you think about. If only the people who worry about their liabilities would think about the riches they do possess, they would stop worrying. If you believe in what you are doing, then let nothing hold you up in your work. Much of the best work of the world has been done against seeming impossibilities. The thing is to get the work done. Today is life, the only life you are sure of. Make the most of today. Get interested in something, shake yourself awake, develop a hobby, let the winds of enthusiasm sweep through you. Live today with gusto. There are always 3 speeches, for every one you actually gave. The one you practiced, the one you gave, and the one you wish you gave. There is only one way to get anybody to do anything. And that is by making the other person want to do it. The successful man will profit from his mistakes and try again in a different way. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.